When you hear Central Asia, what comes to mind? Warriors? Horses? Endless steppe? Probably not. Noodles with better flexibility than you after leg day. Welcome back to High Story Cooking Classes. Today we're making Lagman, the legendary hand-pulled noodle dish loved across Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan. It's bold, it's aromatic, it's stretchy, and it traveled farther than most influencers. But how did noodles land in the middle of steppe lands and nomadic cultures? Let's stretch into history, literally. For Lagman, we need flour, water, salt, lamb, onion, bell peppers, tomatoes, garlic, carrots, celery, cumin, coriander, fresh chili peppers, and fresh herbs. We begin with dough. Flour, salt, 1 egg, and water. Simple? Yes. Easy? Not exactly. Knead until smooth and elastic. And let it rest for 15-20 minutes. Oil the working surface so dough doesn't stick to it. Knead a bit, then rope it. Roll them into ropes. Oil them generously. Cover our ropes with plastic and let it rest for another 10-15 minutes. Hand-pulled noodles likely originated among Uyghur cooks in Western China. Each pull doubles the length, just like ancient trade routes expanded across continents. Lagman likely traveled along the mighty Silk Road. Merchants didn't just trade silk and spices. They traded techniques and tastes. Chinese noodle making met Turkic love for lamb. Persian spices joined the party. Central Asian cooks turned it into a hearty, warming dish. Because when you live on the steppe, you need something serious in your bowl. Over centuries, Lagman became a regional icon. It adapted, it localized, it survived, kind of like a culinary nomad. Now let's bring centuries of history into the wok. Add oil. Add diced lamb. Let it sear properly until golden and caramelized. No gray sadness today. For proper lamb butchering tips, check our plough video, where we break down step by step the whole process. Add onions and garlic. Instant aroma hit. Fry until golden. Add carrots and celery. Add bell peppers. Add tomatoes. Add salt and pepper. Then cumin, red chili pepper. Adjust according to your bravery. And coriander. Spices that have traveled as much as this recipe. Add water or broth. Let everything simmer into rich sauce. Meanwhile, boil your noodles in salted water. Fresh noodles cook fast, from 2 to 3 minutes. But first, let's talk about Lagman's many personalities. In Uzbekistan, Lagman is often thick and stew-like. In Kyrgyzstan, it's more brothy and spicy. In Kazakhstan, you'll find hearty, nomad-inspired versions. In Uyghur communities, noodle pulling is practically a public performance. There's even a stir-fried dry version called Boso Lagman. Same base, different personality. Lagman doesn't have one identity, it has many, just like Central Asia itself. And now, let's serve it. Place noodles onto a plate. Ladle a generous amount of lamb and vegetable sauce on top. Sprinkle fresh herbs. Chewy noodles, rich lamb. Sweet vegetables, warm spices, gentle heat, gentle, from fresh chili pepper. It's comforting, it's bold, it's satisfying. Lagman doesn't whisper flavor, it declares it. Next Saturday, on High Story Cooking Classes, we are diving into fusion Korean fast food. But here's a twist. The iconic Korean dish was actually created outside of Korea. Yes, cultural twist, global remix, flavor explosion. We'll uncover how it was born abroad, how it traveled, and how it became a street food sensation. New episodes every Saturday. Subscribe, like, and stretch your culinary history with us. See you next time. And remember, if your noodles aren't long enough, pull harder.